Mina, what we got today? What a special thing we got today.
Today we have a wonderful item. Today we have the Blusmart Air Fryer.
Yeah, let's begin now.
This is Menina from MEDIABOXENT Lab. Today we have the Blusmart Air Fryer. For cooking, baking, the hot air fryer circulates hot air, allowing heat waves to flow around the food for fast and excellent cooking.
Yeah, this is, what a great device. Plus become perfect for our new channel in YouTube, for our food channel. But we love it. Actually, you already said you don't want to turn the oven anymore, right?
No, because you can use it with little oil or no oil at all. So we use it for chicken, for ribs, even for frozen empanadas.
Yeah, the empanada was great because I think it took about 10 minutes. So we made empanadas, mini patties, and what we do, we make as many, and then we keep in the fridge, and then we use it when we need it. So what we did, we got some guests coming over, and the oven, suddenly, and the oven will take about 40 minutes.
Yes.
Put it in the oven. You put it first in the oven, about 400 degrees, and it will take about 40 minutes. So I said, okay, let's put the empanada. Can we try that? Okay, so we put the empanadas.
But with the oven, you had to wait for the oven to heat up.
Right, and it takes about 40 minutes. I think I did it about in 10 minutes.
It was crazy.
It was in 10 minutes. I did 10 minutes.
I was amazed.
And then I turned it over, and I did another few minutes. So probably my gift was, oh my God, what a nice thing. It was really bad. Now, the meatballs, I think about in 8 minutes. So the nice thing, in the end, I'm going to show you that actually we open, and I show you how the whole thing works. We're going to be doing a test, how much heat it will spread around the plastic, and it's pretty cool. It's about safe. Yeah, it's about 50 Celsius. So I got a laser gun. We're going to be checking the temperature. We're going to see it actually cooking with the meatballs. And with the chicken.
Yeah, we also use it to heat up the food. I don't even use the microwave anymore. And you can even make toasts.
You try the bacon's amazing, right? The bacon
was just
the bacon
perfect.
is pretty cool because every time you put the bacon, start frying, and it makes a mess.
Oh my gosh, that's a huge deal. It will be no smell in the house at all.
So I think it's worth. It definitely is worth every penny. We are pretty happy. We use it all the time. Whatever requires us to use it.
It's super easy to care, and to wash it, you just take the basket out. And let's say you don't use oil. If you don't use oil, if it doesn't get dirty, you really have to be cleaning it like every day. To me, it's seriously a huge investment.
No, and the ones that are concerned, like the oil, whatever, from some of the meat, they said like pork. What we did, the nice thing is just all the pork. All that will full.
The fat.
Yeah, will go on the bottom because it's like a basket. I will show you all those things when we did actually food. So you know. So I will show you in a second so you can see how the whole thing works, and we did the whole test on the next section. All right. So definitely, I love it. Yes.
It's my favorite item. I
think it's a favorite item. Yes, definitely. To get more information on this product, right below the video. Let's take a look at the air fryer Blusmart. So it's plugged in already. We see here a blue dot. It means it needs to come on. It needs to turn it on. So we turn it on, and here you set the temperature. You can go all the way up to 400, and all the way. Let's go this way. I think it's 100. Yes, 170. Let's look inside. Really simple, nice. You can just remove this. We can put here the food, and right with it we can put the oil. So there's a few ways to do it. We can drop the oil right in the top. We can put the oil right over there. So let's put the chicken wings. Right there. So we're gonna get a little bit of oil, coconut oil. Don't require much, but we like the taste. The idea is use as minimal as possible. Some people use less than us, but we like that. So we drop it right over there. We insert this, and now we got to do it again. So let's see, let's turn it on. So we say 300. For that, 300 is good, and 20 minutes, and start. We done? Let's see. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. That's it. We're gonna leave that in. We're gonna put some meatballs there and we're gonna try. I think this should come out real fast. We're not gonna put any oil to this, it's already there. And it's gonna have a nice taste from the we're gonna set it to run. I'm gonna set it to 400 and 15 minutes. Wow, we get almost done. Plus you got all like the fat and everything going underneath. So let's try. I think it only requires a minute. It's almost done. This is almost done, but I want to show you in case you wonder how hot it gets. It's not. It's warm. It's about 50 Celsius, so it's about 120. I mean, you have to get warm because it has heater, but just to confirm that, we're gonna check the temperature now. And it's 50, 51, 45. It all depends where I'm going. 47. So about 50, 54. Yeah, the bottom should get more, right? Well, as we see, it's not like crazy warm. Oh, yeah. And I think I'm almost done with that, so let's check. Let's see how the meat looks. I think it only requires 10 minutes. Nice and crispy. So let's see. Perfect. Let's try it. Oh, yummy. Perfect. You don't want the chicken to be pink. I mean, we can get pink on the meat, but not on the. Perfect.